Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, or be discussing with you, how to link Instagram to TikTok. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you want to link your Instagram account into your TikTok account here, well, there are a few things that you need to understand. Now, there are actually two ways for you to link your Instagram account and your TikTok account inside the TikTok platform. Now, the first way here is if you have enough followers. Now, if you are well known or your TikTok account has been getting some traction here, and let's just say you have thousands of followers in your account, so minimum of 1,000 followers in your TikTok account, typically that would unlock a lot of things with your account, and that also includes adding Instagram into your TikTok account. So in this case, if you have 1,000 followers, you want to go and just click on the edit button here. And typically, if you scroll down a bit here, at the very bottom, you have the option that says Instagram. And typically, once you click on it, you'll be able to add or basically start adding your TikTok or your Instagram account. And just to give you some idea, this is what it's going to look like. As you can see, you have Instagram. You go and just click on the add Instagram to your profile and just follow the on-screen steps. And that involves you logging in into your Instagram account in order for you to link those two accounts. Now, typically, you need to agree that you want to connect your Instagram account. And once you've done that, your Instagram account will now be linked into your TikTok account. But this is only for people who have enough followers, at least 1,000 followers. Now, what if you don't have 1,000 followers here, but you do have a business? Now, this one is going to be quite different. Now, for businesses, basically, you want to gain some traction here without you getting 1,000 followers. So that's why TikTok here allows you to set up your business account and allow you to link an Instagram account that already has some traction on it, and maybe basically showcasing your profile. So if you haven't built your profile yet, so how do you switch your account here to a business one? Now, typically at the top right, you want to go and click on the three bar icon. You want to go and choose the option that says Settings and Privacy. You want to go and choose the option here that says account. And in here, you'll have the option that says switch to business account. Now, once you click on it, just fill out the necessary information. And once you've done that, this will redirect you to the business verification page. Now, in my case, I already have my account here as a business account. So let's go and just choose the business verification page here. And once you've done that, it's going to ask you to fill out certain details about your business. That includes where is your business, your information, and some IDs in order for you to prove that you do own a specific business. Now, TikTok needs this to verify that you do own a company or a business, so that they should be able to give you access to those advanced features that also allows you to add websites, Instagram, or other profiles into your profile. But yeah, so once you provide all the details here, it may take a while for them to verify that. But once your account is verified, you just need to head over to your profile, click on the edit again, and usually the website or the Instagram option should be available as well in here. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.